Exactly. Showing y'all, hey man, I got a good one for y'all, man. If y'all like bikes, you like street bikes, this is it for y'all. I'm at I'm at a bike meet right now. Y'all hear the engines revving up. You see the background. Hey man, it's lit right now. I'm out here getting it in right now, trying to network as well, trying to get some things going. I mean, I love bikes too. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have an experience like this where I'm from, so I'm gonna give y'all this kind of this experience that I'm going through right now, and man, I'm gonna let y'all see what they got, man. What up, man? All right, yeah, man. All kind of stuff. Camera. Better. Alright, yeah, they got some shit, man. I mean, it's lit. I should have brought my drone. Let y'all get a tour. I'm finna walk around, see what's going on. Yeah, it's packed. It's packed. It's crazy packed. It's crazy packed. What's up? Crazy pack, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all share, like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Just get y'all some content. You know what I'm saying? It's not just cars. It's bikes too. So, you know, a little bit of everything. A little bit of everything. Damn, that's nice right there. Man, it's packed, bro.
I told you.
Sheesh.
These are niggas we be speeding with. Right?
Well, y'all have it. It's super packed. They're everywhere. Ooh, we got that big tire in there.
Yeah, him too. He got drag shit on his.
I see that too. Oh, they're not playing. They put the light on. Okay, put the light on. Get the lights. Okay. Got the street tires. Got the drag tires.
What is slow leaving?
I don't know. Yeah. We in Garden Grove, ain't it? We in Garden Grove? Yeah? Alright, yeah. Garden Grove, California, y'all. So, man, they out here. Man, that's packed. We got the lights on. How you doing, brother? Man, hey, way back here.
Barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Watch your ass for a feature. Deposit the money.
All right, copyright. All right. Man, it's packed, bro.
I told you.
Sheesh.
These are niggas we be speeding with. Right?
Well, y'all have it. It's super packed. Yes, sir. everywhere. They everywhere. They're everywhere. Ooh, we got that big tire in there.
Yeah, he'll tell you he got drag shit on his street.
I see that too. Oh, they're not playing. They put the light on. Okay, put the light on. Get the lights. Okay. Got the street tires. Got the drag tires.
What is slow leaving like?
I don't know. Yeah. We in Garden Grove, ain't it? We in Garden Grove? Yeah? Alright, yeah. Garden Grove, California, y'all. So, man, they out here. Man, that's packed. We got the lights on. How you doing, brother? Man, hey, way back here. All right, copyright.
That's my long-term goal. I want to go racing in America at least one time to get my name out.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Just give me a call and just confirm. I'll keep you updated. Yeah. I'll call you Tuesday.
Excuse me. Beep beep. Get out the way. Yeah, this is cool. Like I said, if you like bikes, this is the show for you right now. But man, we are out here. I can't go out there because they got copyright music. Y'all can hear it, but man, they do it all. Heads, cam, they do everything. They do it all, y'all. The technicians.
Welcome to SoCal Super Bytes.
There you go. They introduce yourself. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm just kidding. It's their shop.
Okay.
I'm here being a dick. Yeah.
I got you. Yeah, that's nice. Right. SoCal Super Bytes. That's what we got, y'all. So, man, they got everything as far as bike-wise. And equipment, batteries, parts. I mean, they have it all. They have it all. So,
And then this side, the same thing too.
man.
Like
That motherfucker nice. Like I said, I got the parts, everything, all that here. So you can't miss them. SoCal Street Bikes, y'all. SoCal Street Bikes. That should sound good. It's about 300 bikes here, at least, or more. At least 300 bikes. Yeah, I see it, man. Shit. I doubt they don't have any kind of race or anything, but this is a little neat, bike meet. And, man. Yeah, a lot of people leaving. All right, copyright. Let's go. I gotta turn this off now. Sorry, y'all.
Kawasaki classes, production, like in the world. Tire blow off, all these things gonna hit in the face.
You're gonna get blown out.
I told everybody not to do that. They ain't doing it. I'm trying to go to right now. After this, I'm trying to go to right now. They close at 9. Oh, it's 7.
You ain't gonna make it.
So 7.
It's 7?
We have like 50 different strands. Well, vendors.
That's gonna shoot flames this long.
Hey, he want the shot. He want the shot.
Yeah.
He want the shot.
Gonna get
They gonna get what? Oh, yeah, I got the shot.
When JC to make an announcement?
All right, they finna do a dyno pull for what this.
Don't stand. They're gonna learn when that starts slipping on the dyno and they get hot rubber. And you can't peel it off. That's good.
Just like this. You know me, I'm safety first. Ocean first, you know. Hey man. Make sure y'all share, like, subscribe on the channel. Like I said, this is the show for y'all. If y'all like bikes, this is it. This is it. We here. Oh yeah. Wow, the phone is about to get off my hand. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. Hey, share, like, subscribe, y'all. Hey, that was nice. Hey, my phone's about to fall out my hand. He was doing this. He was on the throttle. Hey, you felt all that. I promise you. You felt all that. Man, look at the crowd. Everybody here hear that.
Who's taking it for a ride?
Me. Man down. That's all you gonna hear. Man down. They be out here though. Yeah. That motherfucker right there. I promise you. Yeah, man. That was him. That was him. Shoot me, fellas. Yeah, that was him. Ah, shoot. Yeah, they do good. Make sure y'all come look at SoCal Street Bikes. Man, subscribe, follow. They got some heat out here, like I said, man. Carbon fiber. Oh my God. With the flakes. With the flakes. Ooh. All right. With the Ducati. With the flakes. You don't see that often. Yeah, with the powder coat. Yeah, that's what he did. That's nice. But man, that right there, that bike right there, oh man. Let me walk up to it real quick. That shit hurt my ears. Oh, he backed it up already. Thanks, bro. Bike nice. That motherfucker nice. Ninja S2. S2 Ninja right there, boy. S2. I just want to get a good picture of it, really. Go. All right, that'll be my. Fire. Fire. On fire. Fire. Fire.
Oh shit.
Fire. Wires, fire. Hey, man. Ain't that but a little water could handle, I guess.
That Dyno run was lit.
That's what's up. I'll shoot you, fella. Thank you. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you.
What happened? You got the up close.
Huh? Oh yeah. Fire. They caught on fire. No, they didn't go up. They just caught on fire. Yeah.
This is pretty.
Some paper, probably something caught on fire. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, it's still going? Yeah, I'm ready.
Still going. Everybody trying to find out, yeah.
You want to get that window? We can get a better view that way too.
Yeah. Caught on fire. Excuse me.
Kuya Tom.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, we here. Slow mo. Shit caught on fire. Not a blue one? They're pulling it out right now.
No, that's it. The another.
Yeah, that one right there caught on fire. This one caught on fire right here.
Same thing on that side. It's the fairing. It's the fairing.
That's it.
Yeah.
Exhaust caught it on fire. Hey, the exhaust got too hot.
You understand?
Yeah, the fairing got caught on fire with the exhaust, so that's what lit up. That's what's up. That's his bike.
No. I got my only on the list. I need a sponsorship from SoCal.
That's right. That's right. Y'all see it, man. Ooh, the exhaust caught
No,
on
see, what
fire.
happened was I had a piece of foam there. It almost got on the other side too, look. It almost got the foam on the other side. See, because usually when I'm riding the wind is in here, it's not as bad. But that shit ain't right there.
Yeah, it did a whole new fairing. It's all good. Caught on fire.
Shit happened. Shit happened.
All right, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see what caught on fire. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah.
Hey, you know you ain't got no back brake, right? Hey, no back brake. You got an extendo, no back brake. Doing that dumb shit, yeah. He almost ran into the car that was at the light. It's just, hey, it's just that. Take no back brake.
Let them know, slow mo.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. That's why your car is a piece of shit.
Alright, well, thank you for watching, sharing, like, subscribe on the channel, please. And man, we get back at you, man. You see, I'm out here in LA. I'm trying to get this content going for y'all. So yeah, man. Let's go. Yay!